Okay, so good evening, everyone. Welcome again. In this episode, we will discuss what we call traps, okay, or what we call traps, and then we can continue to maybe talk about urine finance if you guys are interested about urine finance. But the serious thing is the traps, and this is one of the tricks that the institutions, okay, are doing in order to let you lose money. Okay, so before we can talk about traps, I want you to see a video so we can be serious. Okay, so you cannot just say I am just a talker. Okay, I'm just talking. No, I'm giving you evidences. This is not a game. Okay, this is a serious thing. This is a video, guys, on my channel. Okay, October the 10th. Unfortunately, 50 views. Unfortunately, this videos must achieve at least a million of views. Why? Because this is one of the secrets. Let's hope one day. So let's start and understand, and you can listen to me carefully, guys.
Which that everyone must learn. Okay, so guys, here you can see that the wave stops at this level here. Then another rebound, and this is what we call capitulation. Okay, this is what we call capitulation. So as long as we are below these levels here, and I mean here, okay, the high of this candle here, this is a so powerful trap. Okay, look at this. This is a low, okay, and this is a high. But unfortunately, the prices start to drop, sorry, and comes back later to, let's say, gives some bullish signals, and I mean by that here. Okay, so this is a trap. This is a trap, guys. In the few hours later, you will see that the markets will heavily drops, and we can come back to visit this level here, okay, which is the 0.70. And you may see here that is Saturday, October the 10th. Okay, so let's continue to watch and let's see the power of the algorithmic levels.
Okay, guys. So this is what happens on Sushi. So that's why I have a conclusion that these tokens are manipulated, and if you want to make money, go ahead. But if you want to invest, I don't actually suggest this kind of tokens to you. Okay, because there is powerful algorithmic levels works with many kind of traps that's it's impossible for you to extract it if you are not actually spend, or if you don't spend already more time understanding the algorithms and understanding the market conditions, and also sometimes meditating, just watching the chart and get the conclusion on why this, for example, a price happened, that pattern happened, and that in this price, and why, for example, this candle happened. You may spend a lot of time. So just watch and keep learning, guys. Okay, this channel actually is a gift for you. So what we said here, okay, we were at the 0.82, and we said we will target the 0.70. Okay, this video October the 10th. So let's see what happens. October the 10th. Okay, here 0.80, 82. So we were here. Okay, we were here. So this is what happens, guys. We had another down wave, and we stopped at 0.70. Okay, this is where we stopped or not? Yes, this is where we stopped. What happens next, guys? This is what happens. The markets start to reverse. Why? Because this trap here was a powerful, okay, powerful opportunity to short and make money from these levels here. So many people were convinced to buy because of this what we called an uptrend, and that's why I told you, forget about what technical analysis tells you. Buy when you see an uptrend, sell when you see a downtrend. No, it's a mistake, guys. The shorts have a rules. The long have a rules. This is a downtrend, okay? This is a downtrend, but this is a market conditions actually, not only a downtrend. This is an uptrend, okay? This is an uptrend, but this is some kind of a traps. This is some kind of market manipulation. But we stopped here, guys, and then we start to drop. So what is the traps, guys? You may ask me, what is the traps? The traps is simply a fake support or fake resistance. The market maker have the ability to create a level in order to let you buy using the technical analysis, and then he can switch over the short selling, and heavily, unfortunately. So this is the rules, guys. This is the trap, a fake, okay, a fake pattern, let's say, fake, you can say movements, fake, for example, reversal candle, but we talk about a price. It's fake. So how can we identify traps? How can we identify traps? Very simple, guys. Very simple. When you have this, like that, for example, okay? To be convinced as a buyer, you must have a breakout. Okay? So this is our structure points. Then we can say, okay, we can buy the lows, but where can we say it is a trap and this is a capitulation? It's simply, guys, when the market drops and stops at the same level that we are ready to buy it if we have a breakout. Explain, okay? This is a low, okay? This is a low. There is nothing else we can add, or we can have some philosophy. No, this is a high, this is a low. So what's now to be convinced as a buyer? What should we know? What should we do? Simply, we should buy here. Okay, this is the first kind of traders. We should buy here. After that candle appears, okay, stop behind, okay, stop behind or under the low. So we have to risk 3%. Okay, this is a must, guys. Never buy without having the, let's say, the level where your positions should be out if the market say goes against you. So it's very easy. We have to understand this rule. So our stop must be under the reversal candle. Then our target could be higher than this level, or maybe we can, let's say, use the trailing stop. So if you don't understand the trailing stop, each, for example, 10 pips, we adjust our stop loss automatically, of course. Okay, so for example, we bought here, then if the market goes here, we change our stops from here to here. Guys, trust me, you should do the risk management and understand the risk management. As long as you are respecting the risk management, no power in this market will take your whole money. Okay, do never gamble, never gamble. Let's continue, please. Repeat this video if you don't understand the session correctly. So now we have a conclusion and we have an estimation that the market can break higher than this level, and we can go to visit the next target, which is here. Okay, 0.82. We can go to the $1 if you want. So what happens next? This is what happens, guys. Okay, this is what happens. Now, many people now, or let's say many people are selling here, and we cannot see that people are, let's say, for example, willing to buy more. Let's just don't rush. Okay, let's analyze every movement so slowly. So this is, guys, this is where we should, for example, exit our positions because we bought here. Okay, how much we made? You can say 7%. If you are using leverage, then multiply by the leverage number. Multiply by 10 or 20 or 5 or 2. Okay, so it's up to you. So here, guys, we must stop and go forward and wait for what happens next. If we break higher than this level here, then the market actually will gives us another opportunity to continue. If not, then there is a big probability that the markets will go accumulation phase like that inside the red line, or let's say this line and this line, or we can simply, okay, we goes like that, then we can go like that and then go like this. Okay, so we must understand that we are not buying inside these levels here, because if we buy inside this level, we are just gambling. Okay, there is no power in this plan that can give you and tells you, oh listen, what you want to know where the market is going, buy. No, go with the breakouts. It's very simple, and I promise you will make a lot of money. Go with the breakouts. So let's see what happens next. You may see here, guys, that a distribution starts to appear from the same level. So now we will wait how the market will behave with this level. If we can see anything, okay, interesting, then we can buy. If not, then we can go out. So let's see what happens. You can see, guys, that the market starts to, let's say, show some bullish signals, but we are actually lower than the level here, this level here, and this is the important thing. As long as we are below this level, a big opportunity to drop is about to happen. So forget about that, and let's see what happens next. Okay, so here, guys, this is the first signal. If we, for example, go to let's see, for example, here. Okay, you can see that there is the first signal here. Okay, and the second. Okay, the second. This is what we call a lower low. Okay, a lower low. What does it mean when you see a lower low? Okay, a lower low, sorry, or the higher low. It means that the market will continue the next, let's say, making the next lower high and lower low. We continue to create a downtrend. So this is what happens. Okay, we breaks lower than this level, then the market rebound to tells you, okay, your levels are correct, and you must have another short position from here, and then you can see that the market is going, and even that we can see that the market will never goes like a rally. Okay, they want to make you confused, so you can go out, okay, and you can close your positions, so they will have the ability to get all the money from the table. Okay, especially, guys, Binance, if they see, for example, that you are making money on or there is, let's say, some opportunities on some tokens, each time you will open a position, they will send you a message, an SMS, to tell you, okay, if you don't close these positions, we will dedicate, let's say, $8, $16, $20, $30, depends on your leverage, each day. Okay, so that's why, guys, I want you just to learn the algorithmic levels, so you can use that science in any market. Okay, you can use that in any market. Understand? So this is the traps, guys, and this is how you benefit from it. Okay, set your targets, set your risk rewards, set your risk management. Also respects the levels. Each high and each low represents a wave, because this candle here is just a candle, but inside this candle there is a wave in the 15-minute chart and the 5-minute chart. So when you see this, okay, any candle, just respect it. Especially, guys, you should focus on the last movements. Okay, so I am here, I should not care about that, I should care about that and about that. Okay, and trust me, guys, go back to the charts and apply, and you will see that I am telling you the truth. Okay, and you will screw them. Okay, you will rob them. If you have algorithmic levels down on your pockets and understand this kind of mindsets, then no power in the financial markets will rob you. It's very easy. We don't need, let's say, to buy indicators for thousands of dollars. We don't have to listen to scammers over YouTube. We should only understand this. So, guys, if you agree with me, if you like this content, please support me. I am sharing this knowledge for free. I'm not asking you a penny. Okay, for today and for the future, everything will remain free. And also, if we achieved, for example, the first 10,000 subscriber, I promise to give signals to help people who are losing money all over the world to recover. And also we will create a big group to help this kind of people to recover and help them trade themselves. But I need your help. You should help me grow this audience. If you know any people who have big groups, just share these videos. And I promise there is more coming. So guys, leave me your comments. Okay, it's never too late to learn. I know many of you are losing money, but this is the time to recover. Watch my previous videos, please. There is some important lessons. If you are the first time here, go to the channel and check the previous videos, and you will see yourself that something deserves to be watched. So, guys, we want to talk about your finance, but there is actually I don't want to be to have the long videos on my channel because people are complaining. But we can see that your finance to here have some, let's say, some kind of bullish movements. Okay, then we have to wait to the market how will react over here. And we want to buy, we can just use the Fibonacci from this candle here, and we can buy the lows. Okay, so starting from 0.23, 0.83, 0.50, we can buy. Okay, just don't worry, you can buy at these levels, and you can set your stops below the candle here. Okay, below the candle. If you don't want to make stops, then actually make sure to use some of the levels here, for example 0.80, 0.23, but buy only when you see a reversal candle. Okay, do not just buy when the price touch any levels. No, buy when you see a reversal candle. This is your key. So guys, thank you very much for listening to this session. See you later.